Little thin thing to walk on.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling me this. Hey, ja, wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
I dot me say. I dot me say. I dot me say. I dot me say. I dot.
So this is the aerodrome in Negril.
Yeah. Small planes come and go.
Yeah, I've never seen one though. I don't think it's in use, is it?
Yeah, man, it's used, man.
Yeah?
Yes, man. Credit time go down last spring and
Okay,
so.
okay.
Yeah, I'm still using it.
It's small aerodrome
Oh,
right here. I'm not sure the name of it, but...
Negril Airport.
Oh, okay. Negril aerodrome. This is the border of Westmoreland and Hanover. Right, that's it. Yeah. So, all the rear of them in a Hanover. The sign when Mount Negril, the whole colors them, that in a Hanover. You there? Entering Negril. Welcome to Negril. We're just in a Negril now. So, all of them big hotel there, them in a Hanover.
But if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only lonely me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine feel me slowly.
Love gets in the way to me, I do the world I'm seeing. Yeah, nobody will be over. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's all they move Shita. And then I really put you to bar. Midnight was now Shika.
Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find them.
To the caves. So this is where we're going. Oh, I was supposed to put my crocs on, you know.
Please watch the ads.
Okay. You coming down? You coming down? Guess I'm gonna walk down here, look. Take my time, let me take my time, because look, side ain't got no thing on it. Okay. I don't know if I'm walking out there. No, I'll stay right here. Look guys, look, I'm staying right here. Go on, you go. There's too much things in my hands.
That's the can go.
Yes, I'm afraid. See you there. Guys, I'm not going out there. A little thin thing to walk on. Oh. I'm going. To the caves there. So that's where we're going to go in a bit. We're going to walk through the caves. More caves over there. Let's go. I'm going to go through the caves in a short while.
Yeah.
Yeah, good swimmer. Come on, start something. No, son.
People do come around here and swim though.
Yeah, man. You have to be good swimmer.
Yeah. So, that's it. Let's go in the cave. Woo! Lift up my foot.
Yeah, that's nice.
Alright, go on. I've had enough now.
Go on.
Alright, let's go in the cave. To the cave. Says, watch your step. Enter at your own risk. So guys, can't even see, but this is where we're going. Going in here. In the caves.
Right there.
Should have put on my Crocs. Look guys. The inside. There's water down there. Is that a bat?
Yeah.
Guys, a bat just passed me, which is not good. I hate bats.
Go on. What about the one that way?
Alright, don't say that to me. I don't want to know.
Go on, sit up here.
That was loads of bats.
No,
Oh,
you
no,
know what?
it's getting wet. Okay, guys. Alright, I'll sit alright. Here we are. In the cave. Let's see. Let's turn and show you guys. This is where we are. In the cave. In the cave. So that's where we just were over there, standing on that, right?
Yeah, that's the road.
We're just there. Yeah, in the caves. And people come around here and dip off, stop up here and swim.
Yeah, man. Fuck around and swim around and come back.
Yeah.
So that guy right down here, that another part of the cave one, that's up.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's go around. Lead the way first. Bats keep flying past me, guys, and I don't like that.
Water.
Let's go over here. Please watch the ads.
Water, come on.
Hey.
Sunlight. So you can keep the pictures and small for parties and keep on a
Ready? That is it, I'm sweating. I know.
Come on, like, yeah.
That is it. it. And we're on the top. Here we are. We've done that.
Like me say.
Yes guys, that is it. The Caves of Negril. Caves of Negril. Alright guys, that is our Negril vlog of our 14-part series.
Westmoreland.
Travelling through the parishes of the 40 parishes of Jamaica, Westmoreland,
Yeah.
Caves of Negril. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you are in Negril West End, come and stop by. Or if you want to make a booking with us, that Mr. Toz will take you there.
Right there.
Yes,
Swear.
Alright
Yeah.
guys, until the next one.
That we say.